Okay, so let me get you set up for success. And forgive me, my dogs are in here with me right now because air conditioned guys are doing their service. So if my dogs run in the background or start making noise, I apologize. So I'm gonna actually draw this out for you just so that you have an idea. Because what we actually want to test is you sent me three TikTok videos that produced a lot of comments. And so, what I did from these three videos is I created 30 days of more TikTok videos that utilized the content from these three videos as content pillars. So now we have 30 TikTok videos that we're going to run. Half of them have a comment CTA and half of them have bio, right? So inside your TikTok profile, you want to make sure that you have the link to that 26-minute video there, right? Because half of those are going to get sent to the bio, half of them are going to go to the DM conversation where you're going to send them the 26-minute video, right? So what we're doing here is we're testing two different sales processes. One, we're sending them to the video first, and then we're sending them to this 26-minute video, right? Because a conversation before the 26-minute video, right? Because a 26-minute video has the option for them to book a call, right? So we're just testing out two different routes to be able to do this. Now, these videos over here, these are more targeted than these three were because these three videos gave you a ton of comments. And so all I did was I went back through your ICA and your message optimizer and I told it to give us more targeted videos so that we can test these three content pillars across 30 different ads, half of them having a drop a comment below, half going straight to the bio. Everything leads though to this 26-minute video that goes to this calendar, right? Now, this 26-minute video, right, also has a pixel built into it, right? So that we can retarget across Facebook, IG, and I think if Vitalytics is like eBoov, you should be able to retarget across TikTok. Okay. Now, what we're trying to do for the next 30 days is just prove this process right here, right? We're just trying to prove this process because once we can prove that process, then we can start adding the conveyor belt and retarget these people across TikTok and Facebook. So hopefully that makes sense. That's all we're doing here is we're just testing this process right here for the next 30 days to kind of give you a break from having to do so many comments. Because guess what? If the content works to just send people to the bio, that's what we're going to do, right? Because then they'll get retargeted with more content. So hopefully that makes sense. That's all we're trying to do here. Do.